You think that's good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hello. Today I'm going to share with you viewers a few tips of how to fix a Trane AC and heater combo unit. Recently, the unit in our apartment, stopped working, and we noticed this is this is how it looks after we remove the cover. Okay, so you can get an idea, how the machine is. Okay, and then and this is the fan. Okay, we notice the machine is still running when you turn on the AC or the heater, but there's no cold air or no heat coming out. We notice, the fan is not turning, so we decided, to clean it. And after, some really good, cleaning, this is how it looks. Okay, and when we try to turn it on again, the fan start, moving slowly, but then picking up speed, and then we switch on the AC, and surprisingly the cold air coming out. And also when we test the heater is working again. So we happy. It's only, a minor fault, to fix it, and we get it fixed. And let me show you all the information, labels, information is still there. Okay, this is very old unit, maybe like 30-40 years old. It's made by the Trane company, and it says it's from La Crosse. I hope my pronunciation is correct. State of Wisconsin. Okay.
It's Wisconsin.
Okay. And even you can see a little label here, the logo, the Trane company, and quality control department, whatever. The point is, if you have a similar or identical unit and it stop working, and if the symptom is like ours, this means the machine is still humming when you turn on the heater or the AC, but no cold air or no heat coming out, and the fan is not turning, then probably you can do, just like we do, to get, the machine is running again. But one caution: when you do anything, with the electrical machine, the first thing you need to do is unplug the power cord, okay, before you do anything, to the machine. Okay, just remember, unplug it. Okay, so now let me plug it back in and try. First we'll show you, the fan is running again. Okay, this is the fan switch. Okay. Okay, let's try the AC. Oh, it's not working to me. You know why? There we go. And AC is coming out. You can't speed them, really fast, because this one is the AC is working at higher speed. Okay, this one is at a lower speed. Okay. And this one is just the fan. That's all to it. Thank you for watching.